Hi, I'm Daniel Thomas, Managing Director of Hammer Metals. Thanks for taking the time to listen to an overview of our company. I'd encourage you to look at the investor showcase on the Mines and Money platform to get further details on our recent exploration activities and our upcoming drill programs at the Bronzewing South Gold Project and on our copper and gold exploration programs in Mount Isa. We'd also welcome you to drop past the digital booth or book a meeting with either Russell or myself. Hammer is exploring for gold and copper in two of the world's premier mineral districts. We have a gold exploration project in the Yandal Belt, which has historically produced over 20 million ounces of gold. We have over 200 square kilometres of tenure, and we're situated immediately south of the 4 million ounce Bronzewing mine and have tenure immediately north of the 1.1 million ounce Aurelia gold deposits. There's great infrastructure in place, and all of our key project areas are within 15 kilometres of the Bronzewing gold mine. Our second project area is in Mount Isa, Australia's home of Tier 1 base metal deposits. We have a large 2,100 square kilometre tenure there, and we have 5 defined JORC resources totalling approximately 30 million tonnes at an approximate grade of 1.5% copper equivalent. We're active explorers in the region, chasing an Ernest Henry-style IOCG system, and we're in a joint venture with JOGMEC over approximately 10% of our ground position there, with JOGMEC spending $6 million over 5 years to earn a 60% interest in these projects. A quick snapshot of Hammer Metals. We have a current market capitalisation of approximately $20 million. Our directors are key shareholders, recently buying on market, and they participated in our last capital raise. Together, they own approximately 15% of the company, and we have a fairly tight register overall, with our top 10 shareholders accounting for approximately 40% of the shares outstanding. We have an established team with significant experience in gold and copper exploration. Ziggy and Russell have significant experience in taking a junior company from the exploration stage through the discovery life cycle. The Bronzewing South Gold Project was acquired in May 2019. You can see here our tenement boundary is less than 100 metres from the old Bronzewing mine. It's a fascinating project and has an infamous history in the sense that it was tied up in a legal dispute for over a decade. When Newmont eventually took control of the project, they spent approximately 11 months aggressively exploring before a gold price crash in 2003 saw them walk away from the Bronzewing region. Very little exploration work has been done on this tenement since. Newmont completed an extensive air core program and delineated a number of shallow anomalies similar in nature to the original discovery hole at the Bronzewing gold mine. They followed up some of these prospects with a limited number of reverse circulation and diamond drill holes, about 10 in total. Since acquiring the project last year, we completed a 14-hole, 2,700 metre RC program. We had some interesting results from that program, including 10 metres at 1.97 grams per tonne from approximately 130 metres in depth. We've since spent some time re-examining the project and improving our geological knowledge of the system. We've since completed a detailed gravity survey over the area, and this has delineated a number of targets for us to pursue. The Bronzewing South project consists of 3 key areas. The major area of success for Hammer and our area of focus recently has been on the North Aurelia trend at Target 1. We've successfully delineated a target area here that has shown gold mineralisation over a 2-kilometre trend. Our follow-up program this year is a priority, and we'll be looking to complete an infill program along this 2-kilometre trend. Drilling of this program is imminent. After defining the best areas along this 2-kilometre trend, we'll be looking to test the best areas with a reverse circulation drilling program. We also have an area to the south of our project area at Ken's Bore, which historically has had rock chips in excess of 500 grams per tonne. It has an unexplained EM conductor at depth, and we'll also look to test this target with reverse circulation drilling. And last but not least, we've received a WA EIS grant to drill the deeper target at Bronzewing South. So we have some interesting targets there that we'll also look to be testing later this year. Hammer has built a significant portfolio in the Mount Isa district, and our strategy here has involved securing a dominant position over tenure along large sections of the Fountain Range and Pilgrim faults. Our project area here sits within 100 kilometres of 5 Tier 1 base metal deposits. We believe there's significant potential within our tenure for another Tier 1 deposit. As I mentioned, we're in joint venture with JOGMEC over about 10% of the area here, and we'll soon be starting a drill program here in a search for an iron oxide copper gold system. We've also recently been awarded 2 CEI grants from the Queensland Government. These are immensely assisting our efforts in Queensland. We've recently completed a magnetotelluric study at our Kelman deposit, a deposit which has historically thrown up some pretty exciting drill results, 7 metres at 22% copper with some associated gold. We think the magnetotelluric study, the results from there show that there's some other good targets there to chase, and we're hoping that this magnetotelluric study will rejuvenate our activities on this project in the future. As I mentioned, we have 3 targets that we're testing in Queensland in the next couple of months. 2 of these projects are with the JOGMEC joint venture, and the other is with our partner, Mount Isa Mines, at the Coppeny target. This particular target will be testing a critical minerals target, and again, this is with a Queensland government-funded CEI grant. We'll be drilling 2 holes in this area, and it's a highly prospective area for copper and rare earth mineralisation. There's further information on each of our drilling targets in our investor showcase, and I'd encourage you to view these videos if you'd like to learn more about our targets and our upcoming drilling. Thanks for listening.